Listen, sis, I woke up this morning with the realization that we're already 2 months into this year and I still don't know what the fuck is going on. And then I scrolled through Instagram and found out that Mercury is in retrograde, whatever the fuck that means. So if it looks and feels like I'm all over the place in this video, I don't know, enjoy the chaos. I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. Will I ever stop doing that? Alright, before getting into this video, we have two things to do. First of all, let's get into the song of the motherfucking week. I want to pay homage to one of my favorite male singers of all motherfucking time. And I'm talking about Sir Bruno Mars. I just want to be friends with this guy. He seems like so much fucking fun. And I want to highlight one of my favorite songs from him, from his album Unorthodox Jukebox, and the song is If I Knew. Oh my god. In the song he talks about like damn, I did some fuck shit while I was single. Like, what the fuck was the point of all this? Like, I wouldn't have done any of this bullshit if I had known that you were coming into my life. I feel that shit. I feel that shit. And that's it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, second thing that we have to do before getting into this video. Guys, we kind of have like a sponsor. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Athena Club. If you have not heard about Miss Athena Club, let me put you on. Athena Club is a wellness and personal care brand that offers clean, high quality and affordable self-care products, baby. They aim to be like a one-stop shop for clean, vegan and cruelty-free essentials such as razors, deodorants, supplements, even period care, sis. With added convenience of subscriptions customizable to how often you want certain things. They were kind enough to send over their shaving kit. It's a cute little box that includes the razor handle. I picked the color pink because it's so freaking cute, but there's a lot of like color options for you to choose. It has 2 blade cartridges and a magnetic hook. I also absolutely love the aesthetic of both the razor and even the cloud shave foam. It's such a beautiful bottle. And this shave foam, baby, this is luxury. This feels like I'm shaving with a goddamn cloud. And they also sent over their deodorant. Their deodorant, aka their all day deo, comes in 2 different fragrances. I got their #1, which has notes of bergamot zest, succulent peaches and warm vanilla. I will leave a link in the description down below so you can check out their website and everything that they offer. Thank you so much, Athena Club, for sponsoring this video. I love you guys. Now let's move on to this video. Today's video, as you saw by the title of it, is gonna be all about testing and reviewing Function of Beauty's new line of shampoos and conditioners that you can find in Target. So if you are not familiar with Function of Beauty, they are a brand that focuses on customizing hair care products through their website. But as of December 27th, I think is when they launched a whole line of shampoos and conditioners in Target, but they wanted to stick with their whole gag of like, you can customize your shampoos. So other than shampoos and the conditioners, they have little booster shots. I'll include some pictures of what they look like. You can choose up to like 3 booster shots to add to your shampoo and your conditioner, and that way you can kind of get your own customized formula. I think that's freaking phenomenal. And not only that, but they have also different shampoo and conditioner bases. They have shampoo and conditioner for straight hair, for wavy hair, curly hair, and coily hair. I've already used it. I used it once and I already added my booster shots. I'll include a picture of like the booster shots that I chose for my shampoo and conditioner. I chose the anti-frizz, the volumizing, and the curl definition booster drops. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into the shower so I can show you the process of me using this. It's gonna be fun. Oh hey, welcome to my shower once again. How are you? Let's get this started. Alright, first let me wet my hair and then realize that the water was too cold. Typical New York shit. Alright, let's get started with this shampoo. So I wanted to show you guys like the texture of it because I thought this was going to be like a very creamy moisturizing shampoo, and it's not. It's actually quite clear, which I prefer so much better because I feel like clear looking shampoos are just better at clarifying and really
cleansing the scalp. I had to stop using very thick, moisturizing, oily shampoos altogether because they were just not getting the job done. And they would leave kind of like a lot of residue, especially on that back area that I'm scrunching right now. Not scrunching, scratching. There, I would get a lot of product buildup. So I really like that shampoo for that reason in particular. Also, I was listening to Emma Chamberlain's Anything Goes. Great freaking podcast. Then I'm going over with the conditioner. And this conditioner also has a great balance of being creamy and moisturizing, but not being too thick and heavy that is going to weigh my hair down or is going to, over moisturize my hair. But notice that I'm not putting it anywhere near my scalp or my roots. I am like 100% just focusing it on my ends. I just raked it through, and now I know you can't see it, but I flipped my hair so that I could start squishing to condition, something like that. That's what the curly girls call it. And then I'm going to detangle with my Denman brush, but brushing it like away from my face so that I can start some root lifting that helps with the volume. And then I start just like scrunching in the product, or like scrunching out the product until my hair looks like this. And then I can plop it on my towel that I know that I use it the wrong way. The button is supposed to go behind my head, but this is just the way it works for me. Okay, don't judge me. Anyways, okay, that's it. Let's go to the room.
Okay, me and my towel are back. So now I'm gonna start the styling process. I'm just gonna use the same products that I talked about on my last hair video. I'm still using the same stuff because when it works, it works. Oh, and I've also gotten questions as to why do I plop my hair right after the shower if I'm gonna spray it with water again. Well, to answer that question, I mostly plop right out of the shower because I don't want to deal with dripping water all over my freaking neck and body while I'm trying to dry my body. It's just convenient. It's just convenient to use this towel. If when I take the towel out, I feel like my hair could use a couple of sprays of water, sure, I'll do it. So I had my hair in that little towel for like 15 minutes while I got out of the shower, did my skincare, etc. It's damp, but most of the water excess is gone. So I'm just gonna spray it the tiniest little bit just for the purpose of product absorption. All right, now that my hair is properly damp but not dripping, let's go on to the first product. So the major difference between this wash day routine and my first wash day routine video is that, yeah, before I used to use 3 products, now I only use 2. And it's worked so far. I first start with my defining cream. I've gotten a few comments about wavy girls saying that asking if it's necessary to use a defining cream or just a cream in general in their routine because they feel like creams just weigh their waves down. Sis, then don't use them. Then don't use them. I'm just gonna be scrunching it into my hair. Yeah, you don't have to use creams. If you feel like it weighs your hair down, it doesn't work for you, then you don't have to use it. I only use it because I feel like it does work for me. As you saw in my shower, I use very little conditioner because a lot of moisture can weigh my hair down. I only use a tiny bit and I only focus it in my roots. Well, I do the same thing with my defining cream. I just took a little bit more, I flipped my hair to the other side, and now I'm just gonna do the same on this side. All right, and now I'm just gonna go with the same gel that I've been using. Is the Be in Control Curl Sculpting Gel from Curls. I just flip my hair to one side, do the scrunching, scrunchity scrunch crunch. And with the gel, I do go a little bit heavier than my defining cream. My hair really likes gel. But it works, bro, it works. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna flip my head over and apply one more coat of gel right here, just like this, and then scrunch it back up. All right, now that I have all the gel that I want, I'm gonna go diffuse off camera. If you are curious to see how I diffuse my hair exactly, I'm gonna put a video here in the cards and I'll link it down below too, so you can see how I diffuse my hair, etc. But I'm gonna just do it off camera because you already seen it. Okay, I'm back. Wow, I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder and I just realized, holy shit, my hair has really grown a lot. I'm gonna put like a little clip here of my first hair video, and holy shit, my hair has really grown a lot. And I had a hair trim. Okay, hair growth. Okay, anyways, so yeah, this is my little wash day result today. I am pleased, I am happy. My hair feels very soft, defined, bouncy, healthy, clean, all of the good things. Let me just give you a little 360. I like it. I like it. I feel cute. I feel pretty. I know that when I part it in the middle, it looks a little bit crazy because of these bangs that don't make sense anymore. I don't know what to do with them anymore. So let me give you my final thoughts on the little Function Beauty Wavy Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. First things first, the scent, incredible. It smells like peaches, and the scent actually lingers in your hair. Even after using styling products that are like kind of scented, at the end of the day, what I can smell on my hair is the shampoo and conditioner. So it has a beautiful, beautiful scent that actually, you know, lasts on your hair. Some people like it, some people don't. So I'm just letting you know that if you don't like fragranced shampoos that make your hair smell a certain way for a long period of time, you might not like this. But if you do like that, good shit. Second thing, in terms of like the booster shots that you can add to your shampoo, definition, absolutely, definitely achieved. The anti-frizz boost, I mean, that just depends on like how my hair carries on for the rest of the day. Later on my next hair video, I'll let you know if that, you know, stands true. And my volume booster shot, I mean, listen, it looks kind of the same as my other wash days. I don't know like how much a shampoo and a conditioner can do for the volume of your hair. I think that mostly depends on like how you style your hair and how you dry your hair. So yeah, I don't know if that volume booster shot did anything. I don't know, I'm being honest. The conditioner, absolutely love it, absolutely love it. I feel like it's the right balance between creamy and moisturizing and not being too heavy on my hair. My hair does not feel weighed down whatsoever, and that was my biggest fear with this conditioner. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this. If you have any specific styling products or any specific brands that you would like me to review, please comment down below or DM me or whatever you want to do, and I will consider it for a future video. Okay, that's everything from me, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Follow me on Instagram for more pictures of my face and stuff like that. Comment down below any questions, thoughts, concerns, whatever it is down below, and I will get back to you, I promise. And most importantly, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.